I would love to introduce our monthly DIY box subscription. Now, every month you get a new theme. This is our Thanksgiving theme, which is releasing September 1st, and you have until the 15th of September to order. Now, if you're creative, you love a good experience with family or friends, and you love to decorate, then this is the DIY box for you. The deluxe box comes with all of the extra accessories for decorating for this season, and you can see it comes with some beautiful colors, paint colors. Our DIY box has all the instructions, the wood, the stencils for you to DIY this kit. And the farmhouse riser here is a one-time purchase that you can include with your first subscription as well. And you can see that your first order also comes with a concrete pot and an air plant, which is a nice added touch to your farmhouse riser. So if you want to learn more, feel free to click the link below and check us out at homeworksetc.ca.